fruit snacks. I love my snacks. I love carrying snacks. I love eating snacks. I want to be a snack. I am a snack that smiles back. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's another on my bed in my room video. I want you guys to, feel like you're talking to a homegirl, I don't like the whole teleprompter, welcome to my channel type of vibes. So, yeah, I want y'all to feel like you're talking to a homegirl. So, I haven't done one of these videos in a long time. The what's my bag video, or what's in my bag video, sorry. And I've actually had this bag for about a year or two now. And I was like, dang, I haven't done a what's in my bag video for this. So I'm excited because I actually love this bag. I'm actually using it tonight. So let's get into the pros and cons first before we talk about what's in it. Pros, it's cute. It's my favorite. See what I did there? But it's a really cute bag. I've had it for 2 years. I've worn it with all type of materials and it hasn't transferred at all. I love it. It goes with a lot. I'm wearing gray, so obviously it's gonna go with this. But even when I wear something more neutral, like a beige or a nude or a pink, it goes as well. And I have a lot of those, as you can see. I love neutrals, I love pinks, I love baby pinks, all of that. Like, it goes with a lot of my wardrobe. I have the Never Full in the Damier Ebene, or Ebene, I don't know, Ebene, that's how I say it, the Damier Ebene print. I also have the Alma BB in the original classic mono, Louis Vuitton monogram print. So I wanted the DA. I wanted this print and I didn't know what bag I wanted. I originally wanted this in the Damier Ebene print, but I was like, I already have the Never Full. The Never Full comes with the wallet, so I was like, I need this. I'm a Louis Vuitton girl, as you can see. I love Louis Vuitton anything. And yeah, I just feel like this is a classic bag. Very cute, very girly. Goes with a lot. I love the gold detailing. I love just the detailing in general. The Louis Vuitton on the little buttons on the side. Just, like guys, like I love this bag. The cons. Let's get into the cons. I'm not a fan of the crossbody. And I do have quite a bit of crossbody bags, but I actually don't use the crossbody on this bag. It may be because, it's trendy and it's in trend to wear the bag like this. It's in trend to wear it like this. I am a tall girl, 5'8.5", and this still looks wonderful on me. I know a lot of tall girls are worried about how the bag will look on them because it is the PM size. But I get compliments. I mean, it's a wonderful, cute bag. I don't think it'll look too small on a tall frame like myself. And I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I am kind of a Sally, okay? And it goes, look, it goes. Whether it goes or not, I'm still wearing it. I don't care. Now, let's get into the inside. Like I mentioned before, sorry, I just remembered something. Like I mentioned before, I do have the Never Full, and I don't know, it might be because I'm following the trends or I'm getting older, but I tend to not carry that bag as much, only or mainly on like business occasions, like a conference. I am a student, so like a few times to class, the airport, almost always the airport, but not for everyday use. This bag, or bags that are similar to this size, smaller, is what I gravitate to more for everyday use. And I think that's another pro about this bag that I like, is that I can use it every day. The only reason why I wouldn't use it every day is because it is a lighter toned. It's a cream off-white kind of color, so I would not want to use this every day in case of staining. Granted, I've had it for about 2 years, and I was just about to say I don't have any stains, but I see like a little, it doesn't look like a stain, it looks like some sauce or something. I'll clean that off later. Let's get inside. Let's get into the deets. So this is how the bag looks when you open it. This is all the stuff that's in here. I am going out later today, so yeah. First thing I pull out is a scrunchie. I'm going to Austin's rodeo. I know, I didn't even know Austin had a rodeo. I thought it was a Houston thing, but they do, so I'm excited for that. And obviously it's March, but it is getting warmer. So in case my hair gets annoying, I have this cute little scrunchie that I can put my hair up in. So yeah, I'm gonna breeze through this because these should be items that you have or already have, and this is just to get an idea for those that are interested in buying the bag of what can fit inside. So you guys know what a scrunchie is. I don't need to describe it. You know what it is. Next are my AirPods. I literally post this in every what's in my bag video because I literally carry it everywhere, especially since I get random calls and I like to be on the phone. I don't want people in my business listening to my conversation. So these are important. Gum. Not only for me, but for the people you just don't know how to tell them that their breath stank. You're like, hey girl, you want some gum? Please take some gum. Please do us a favor and take my gum. But yeah, take gum with you everywhere. And no, not even throwing shade, because sometimes I need gum too. Like, you just know when like your mouth has been closed like the whole day and that feeling. Gum. Fruit snacks. I love my snacks. I love carrying snacks. I love eating snacks. I want to be a snack. I am a snack that smiles back. Let me stop. But yeah, fruit snacks. I mean, y'all know what fruit snacks are. My phone. This should have been the first thing I pulled out, but my phone, yeah, I had to make sure, you know, nothing was on the screen. But my phone, I do need a new case. But yeah, this is my phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I believe. Ooh, my wallet. I won't show y'all my well, I can show y'all the picture, but my ID and my wallet. I have the chain wallet that my sister got me like 3 years ago for my birthday. It's Kate Spade. It's almost about to tear, so I'm probably gonna get a new wallet soon. And y'all, I love this wallet so much. I mean, my sister got it for me and we're really close, but I just love how compact it is. I got my ID in here, my card, my Costco card, just the important stuff that I carry every day. So yeah, I'm gonna be sad replacing this. But yeah, my wallet. My car keys, yeah, it's car keys. Oh, and my house key, but y'all know what that is. Oh, perfume, y'all. I love smelling good, and let me put y'all on this new Glare. I believe this is Angel, the travel size. Smells amazing. It smells so good. I literally wish I could just smell like this all the time. Like, I wish I could drink it and my insides and my urine, everything just smells like this. This smells so good. I love the bottle shape. It's very, well, it's the travel size. I was gonna say it's very compact, but that's what it's supposed to be. But I love it. Very, very, very good scent. Like, oh my gosh. Like, my mom has the full bottle and she gave me this to try because she knows me. She knew I would like it, and I do. And I'm happy because as soon as I finish this, I'm gonna buy the full bottle. Love it so much. Oh, that's it? Oh yeah. Lip balm / gloss. Yeah, it's the transitioning period between winter and spring, so like I have to carry this on me. Some of my videos, my lips have been so chapped, and I'm actually embarrassed, but like I just didn't feel like editing. I mean, how do you edit like lip gloss on your lips? I don't know how to do that. But this is another thing I'm carrying. Oh, yeah. Important. But yeah, guys, that's all I have in my cute Louis Vuitton PM favorite bag. Yeah, I mean, it's a small bag. It doesn't carry a lot. I don't need it to carry a lot. I love it so much. It goes with most of my wardrobe. I highly recommend, if you're watching videos undecided on what to get, I have the Neverfull, the Alma BB, and the PM. Make sure you watch my other two videos for reviews on those. But I would, even with those two bags, I would still tell you to get this bag. I love it so much. I might even get it in the Damier bin like I wanted to originally. Very compact, very cute, very versatile. You can wear it as a clutch. You can wear it as a crossbody, even though I don't wear it as a crossbody. Again, 10 out of 10 recommend. Love it so much. If you like my video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Be blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye. Oh, and all of my items that I talked about will be in the description box. Okay, bye again. Oh, no, I'm kidding. All right, bye, y'all.